Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative. I'd like to invite you to join me as I create in my little bullet journal notebook. I hope this channel fosters relaxation, creativity, and inspiration for you. Please consider liking and subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss a moment of quiet creativity with me. Thank you. So today I was trying out some new glue. And I'm going to just cut to the chase. I wasn't, I enjoyed how easy it was to use. The applicator was really cool because it spread it out nice and thinly. However, after everything dried, I found the problem was that it sort of buckled up my pages. Now, the paper in this journal is a 24 pound. Maybe it wouldn't be as much of a problem if I had a thicker paper, like an art journal or something. So anyway, I'm just cutting out a little saying and gluing it into place. I'm just using some different elements that I've put together for this spread. So that little quote that I just glued down is by William James. And it says, "Be not afraid of life. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create that fact." So that's kind of fun. Trying to look on the sunny side of life in this world. Sometimes it's hard right now, right? But we do our best. Right here, I'm just deciding what page I think would go well with the spread. This is sort of a nice green color. So yes, back to that glue. It's a Tombow glue, clear glue. And it did great for sticking things down. I just found that as it dried, it just started to buckle. And it actually affected the spread that I had on the page previous. And that kind of, it's just frustrating. So here's some little stickers that I made with a stamp. And I used Stays On ink. So I had I'm working on a stamp collection for my Etsy shop. So, sorry, not stickers, sorry. Anyway, I had all this extra sticker paper and I didn't want to let it go to waste. So I used a little stamp and Stays On ink. I made little bird stickers for this journal. So once I stuck those stickers down, it seemed like birds was the theme. So on this little page, you can see the little bird head, the dove head or whatever. And then I put this cute sticker on here. So just to add a little bit of interest and bring the bottom up further. So this is a stamp actually that I hand carved out of an eraser. If you're interested, just let me know if you'd like to see me do something, show you how to do those things. It's pretty rough, but it's pretty cute. There's a little bird on the outside of that, as you can see. And then on my little thankful spot there, I decided to just write down what I'm thankful for. And then I decided to add some more of those little stickers that I made. Kind of turned out cute, actually. I like that. This was another one of those sticker paper, like, I didn't want to waste. And that is another hand carved stamp there that looks like a little dandelion seed. So that's today's spread. Thank you so much. Come back and see me tomorrow.